I'm going for India's Got Latent today, so let's get ready for that. I've heard they started getting Bollywood people on the panel, which is great for them, but I just hope it doesn't mean that they'll sober down completely. I mean, they'll have to sober down a little bit because of what happened. But I just hope there's some funny people on the panel as well. I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna go with this olive halter top from Zara. Okay, I love this top. I hate when this happens. Just gonna wipe this off and come. Crisis averted. I think it's all good now. For the pants, I'm gonna go with these from Stamp Duty or Stamp and Duty. Stamp Duty. If you know the brand, I think everyone and their mother knows these. I love the little border. I love the back as well. And these pants are honestly a great example of how some things are absolutely worth the hype. The quality is amazing. I can just live in these. Absolutely love the fit. And lastly, I'm gonna go with this jacket that's not mine. It's my friend Aryan's that I'm shamelessly using. I'm so sorry. I will return it to you. I think it goes with the outfit. And more importantly, it's super comfy and I want to be comfy because it's going to be a long show. I'm honestly so excited. I've been so down in the dumps lately. I've been a little not so great in the head. So hopefully this cures my depression. For jewelry, I'm keeping it super simple. Just this pendant, these brown stoned hoops again, and these beautiful rings that my friend Shubna got from Egypt, which is so sweet, and I literally wear them every single day because it goes with everything. Ready for footwear, I'm just going with these beige sandals that are again super comfy. I don't think I'm carrying a bag today because I just want to be comfy. I've mentioned that like 3 million times. I'm just gonna carry the most important thing for me, which is a tinted lip balm in my pocket. Maybe I'll ditch the jacket actually. It's quite hot. I think I like it without the jacket. And this is the completed outfit. Better leave now if I want to get good seats. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.